Can you see your watch history on Instagram? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can see our watch history on Insta. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that we will take is that we'll just open up our Instagram. So do that first and make sure that you're logged into your account. After doing that, if you head over to the bottom right corner and then on the three lines on the top right, you will get on the settings and activity center. So to check our watch history, what we simply by logic will do is head over to your activity section, and inside there we'll just try to find our watch history. So the only history that we actually get here is our account history, our link history and stuff like that. Also, if you scroll up, you should see your recently deleted and your archived. So from here, what you can notice is that you cannot actually get your watch history on Instagram. But what you can get is that if you scroll down and if you see your, if you head over to your Reels section on content you've shared, you'll get all of the content that you have shared. Also, if you scroll down and if you see the likes section, you'll notice that you will get all of the likes in your activity. So if you want to see your watch history, make sure that you like the content that you just like the content that you want to save in watch history. Head over here and head over to the likes section to find all of your watch history. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.